Hey there everyone, it's Yat Kean here from Trend Ground. Welcome back to another unboxing and quick impression video. With today's device we are focusing on to is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Yes, it's coming to Malaysia in the later month of July. So before everyone going to purchase it and get their unit, I'm gonna test it out and give my quick impression for this. Okay, but definitely there will be a full review video coming up later on. But for now, let's go and unbox this device. All right, shall we? Let's go. So here we go, Galaxy Z Flip 6. All right, I'm gonna unseal this guy here right now. Okay, this one part, and we have another one more part here. Done. Very quick unboxing. So my review unit here is the Silver Shadow, and it's the 12 gigs with 256 gigabytes of internal storage. Basically, device is here, okay, and then you have some paperwork and the cable inside here. I don't think I need to show you guys the full extent of it, because you guys aren't even interested to read the paperwork. Okay, so there are a few things you need to remember. You need to remove this sticker over here, number one, and then the display. Yep, that's it. Simple, quick one. Voila, really nice. Kind of like it. To be honest, I like the silver color. Kind of like it. Even on the fold, it does look amazing. Okay. Ooh, man, nice. So let me fire up and do the settings. Okay, so I have done setting up on the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Wow, to be honest, I'm quite pretty impressive with the device. Yeah, but right now, the most important thing is that battery level right now is 56%, and I'm going to try out the cameras a little bit, and give my quick impression overall just using it like half a day. So right now it's already like 12:18, so you should know like how is the quick impression will go through. So this video is being recorded with the Galaxy Z Flip 6 rear camera. This is the ultra wide camera 0.6x. Man, that is wide enough. Really awesome. And then we are going now to the 1 times the main camera zoom. And I'm gonna slowly punch all the way to 4 times digital zoom. Yeah. Video quality is good on the Flip 6. So let me just try to punch some more to 10 times digital zoom. Yeah, but I think keep it to the 4 times digital zoom is quite good for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. So I'm currently shooting this clip with the front-facing camera on the Flip 6 in 4K 30 frames per second. To be honest, I'm actually in the shady area, simulating that low light situation feel a bit. and this is the quality. What do you think? Okay, so took the Flip 6 and do a lot of shots, photos, videos, you name it. Battery life 43% right now. Yeah, not bad. I'm gonna wait for the sky to be a little bit darker, then I'm gonna test out the camera in night time, see how does it actually work. So stay tuned. Okay, so this video is being shot with the ultra wide camera on the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Low light situation, I can't turn on the flash because it doesn't support when you're using ultra wide lens. And then when you switch back to the main camera right now, oh, even in low light situation, it's still able to kind of capture it. So I'm gonna turn on the light. Yeah, you see the exposure now is much more nicer. Amazing. Now this video is being taken with the front-facing camera on the Galaxy Z Flip 6, 4K, 30 frames per second. This is the video quality, low light situation. What do you think about the video quality? I think it looks quite good, to be honest, despite there are some noises and artifacts as well. Okay, so basically I have done with the Galaxy Z Flip 6 here, using it like half a day. I kind of have to say quite impressive with its battery life. So right now it's already at 29%. Now it's 10:37. Truly awesome, amazing. And I will have to say overall in terms of the design, I kind of like it. With the new hinge system, I noticed the crease on this device is less noticeable, quite a lot. Almost feels like there's no crease onto it unless you nitpick on that particular center part. But nowadays, even if you nitpick onto it, it's kind of difficult to see the crease on the phone. So that is, I think, Samsung has done tremendous in this department. In terms of the overall design, I would say, okay, the new camera rings here, they do add some characters onto it. I like it. And ergonomic wise, I don't think there's anything much of a major changes onto it. Still feels good and superb for those who wants a compact smartphone. And coming to the cameras, I would have to say I like the new 15 megapixel main camera. It shoots amazing photos, be it in bright daylight shots or low light situation. Truly wonderful device. And meanwhile, for the ultra wide camera, I would love for Samsung to upgrade their ultra wide camera. Now, don't get me wrong, it still works amazing, but the competition is providing ultra high megapixel counts on their ultra wide camera. So definitely, I think Samsung still need to chase more in that particular hardware competition. Yeah, that I would say. But nonetheless, overall, all the cameras, even the selfie camera and the ultra wide camera, they do perform quite well. However, you do notice in low light situation, definitely they will try to be struggle a little bit, but they still perform quite well. Largely also thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset. Also, Samsung has mentioned that they have upgraded, no, I wouldn't say upgraded. For the first time in the Flip series, they have put a vapor chamber cooling solution. Now, this one I do have to agree, it does help. I don't feel any warmth on this device. So again, very amazed with their innovation for this device. And meanwhile, for those who want to ask about videography, not bad to be honest. You can shoot up to 4K 60 frames per second on all the cameras. They look amazing, but same like the photography, ultra wide and the selfie camera, definitely going to suffer in low light condition. Okay, so that's my quick takeaway for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Okay, that's my quick impression. And yeah, to be honest, if you are looking right now just to get a brand new foldable phone, definitely I could say this Galaxy Z Flip 6 is definitely something you should be considering it. Okay, so I know the video is already too long. Hopefully you guys keep supporting this channel, and if you really like this video and still new to the YouTube channel, please go ahead, subscribe to it, give a thumbs up, like, and also make sure to follow us on the social media account. Last but not least, make sure I would say go to the website, bookmark it, and read all the news article happenings in Malaysia and internationally. With that, I gotta bid you guys farewell. Yat Kean here. Long day. I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, bye.